Hello guys, review smartphone Xiaomi Redmi 12C. This version 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory. And 128GB internal memory, 4GB RAM and 128GB ROM memory, ocean blue color. And look, compactation. In compactation we have, of course, device and adapter for charging and Type-C cable. That's all compactation. Okay, talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side, double camera, fingerprint scanner and LED. On the front side, 6.7 inch. On this side, power key and phone case. On this side, slot for 2 SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On this side, power key. On this side, headphones jack. Downside, micro USB port, speaker and microphone. Turn on device, look settings. About phone we have MIUI Global 13.0.5 and Android version 12. Close this. Look Geekbench 6 results and talk about system information. We have Helio G85 this CPU and Mali G52 is GPU. Look results. GPU test results and CPU test results. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. GTA San Andreas works good. Close this. Okay. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.